Hey y'all, so I picked up the Clio mini Greek yogurt bars. I've been seeing these everywhere. This has so much protein in it, I decided to give it a try. So let's take a bite. The Clio bar, let's take a bite. This is what it looks like on the inside. That delicious of the caramel. Get the caramel. Ooh, that chocolate. The chocolate is super rich on this. This is some very high quality chocolate. Nice and cold. This is so good. It's a perfect little snack or a little dessert to end your day. Y'all go give it a try.